Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rock candy. First, understand that rock candy forms from a supersaturated sugar solution as water evaporates, leaving sugar crystals behind. You'll need granulated sugar, water, and optional food coloring or flavor extracts. Also, prepare a clean saucepan, a heat-safe jar, string, and a pencil or clothespin to suspend your string. Next, create your supersaturated solution. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan over medium heat. Gradually add 3 cups of sugar, stirring continuously until all the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil the solution. Once clear, remove from heat. Now, you can carefully add a few drops of food coloring and your desired flavor extract, mixing them in thoroughly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun science experiments. And speaking of keeping things tidy, especially after a sweet science project, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying for effortless cleanup. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the exciting part, crystal growth. Pour your warm sugar solution into a clean, heat-safe jar. Tie one end of a cotton string to a pencil or clothespin and rest it across the jar's rim, letting the string hang into the solution. Make sure the string doesn't touch the bottom or sides. Place the jar in a cool, quiet place and let nature do its work for about 7 to 14 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.